Conducting a literature review entails several practical and intellectual challenges. Understanding these obstacles enables researchers to mitigate them deliberately. Information overload and lack of focus, the proliferation of publications can overwhelm students. A discipline scope, defined by clear research questions, temporal or geographical limits. For example, Zambian primary education reforms from 2000 to 2020, and keywords, helps manage breadth. Difficulty accessing full-text articles. Access barriers can be pronounced for scholars in the region. Researchers should use institutional subscriptions, interlibrary loans, author repositories, or contact authors directly. Utilizing open access platforms and local institutional repositories is often necessary. Limited familiarity with academic search tools, effective use of Boolean operators, subject headings, citation tracking and database-specific filters increases search efficiency. Training workshops or online tutorials can bridge this gap. Bias in source selection. Researchers may inadvertently privilege literature from Western institutions, Anglophone publications, or high-impact journals, thereby marginalizing locally produced scholarship. Concerted effort is required to include Southern African journals, governmental documents and non-English sources where relevant. Plagiarism risks due to poor paraphrasing or citation. Inadequate note-taking and citation practices can lead to unattributed use of others' ideas. Employing a robust system of reference management and regularly checking drafts for citation completeness reduces this risk. These challenges can be mitigated through structured search strategies, systematic note-taking systems, for example, annotated bibliographies or concept matrices, and utilizing academic writing support. In many Southern African universities, writing centers or librarian services provide tailored support in database searching and referencing practices.